Same SANY excavator, yet others' track pads last 3 years while yours fail in 6 months. See the real SANY factory difference here. The carrier rollers and track rollers use standardized steel, equipped with precision forged friction welding, which addresses the various shortcomings of conventional gas-shielded welding. This ensures reliable strength while also being energy-saving and environmentally friendly. The finished products undergo continuous heat treatment, comprehensively strengthening the working surface for greater wear resistance, making them suitable for a variety of complex working conditions. The one-time dual-head machining of the armor maximizes dimensional accuracy, effectively solving oil leakage issues caused by dimensional fluctuations. The axle is made from carefully selected steel according to different machine models with integrated forming and processing and undergoes induction hardening. Multiple grinding processes ensure highly consistent product dimensions and a smooth surface, all while maintaining strength. For genuine factory quality, choose the official partner MechLink, only selling original MechLink products and supporting 100% genuine SANY parts. Contact us now.